Looking to unlock your IRA's full potential? Then you might want to start thinking outside the traditional investment box. That's right, I'm talking about Bitcoin. And guess what? You can buy Bitcoin with your IRA. Stick around and I'll show you how. First off, click the link in the description below to get your discount and start your journey toward a more dynamic retirement portfolio. So, why Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin isn't just some internet fad. It's a decentralized digital currency that's been gaining traction and legitimacy over the past decade. Imagine adding the power of Bitcoin's growth potential to your retirement savings. Sounds appealing, right? Now let's talk about the nuts and bolts. Traditional IRA investments include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But a self-directed IRA, that gives you the freedom to invest in a broader range of assets, including Bitcoin. It's like giving your retirement strategy a turbo boost. Here's the kicker. By using a self-directed IRA, you can buy and hold Bitcoin in a tax-advantaged account. That means potential growth without immediate tax implications. And let's face it, tax efficiency is key when planning for retirement. Okay, you're probably wondering, how do I get started? First, you need a self-directed IRA custodian who allows Bitcoin investments. Don't worry, there are plenty out there. Once you've got that set up, you can buy Bitcoin just like you would with any other asset. It's straightforward, and the best part? You don't need to be a tech guru to do it. But let's get real for a moment. Bitcoin, like any investment, isn't without risks. It's volatile and can experience significant price swings. However, with greater risk often comes greater reward. It's all about balancing your portfolio to match your risk tolerance and retirement goals. So, are you ready to revolutionize your retirement strategy? Click the link in the description below to get your discount and start buying Bitcoin with your IRA today. Remember, the future favors the bold. Unlock your IRA's potential and take control of your financial destiny. Thanks for watching and happy investing.